You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. Please remember that this review reflects my personal experience. In this video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of Goldman Sachs and Santander Bank to help you decide which one better aligns with your specific financial needs. Goldman Sachs, renowned for its prestigious investment banking services, has recently disrupted consumer banking with its Marcus platform. Marcus offers high-yield savings accounts, personal loans, and certificates of deposit, CDS, all without fees, minimum balance requirements, and with a fully online experience. The real highlight of Goldman Sachs is its competitive high-yield savings account, consistently boasting some of the most attractive interest rates available. If you're looking for a streamlined, fee-free way to maximize your savings growth with a completely digital banking experience, Goldman Sachs is a strong contender. On the other hand, Santander Bank is a global banking giant with a significant presence in the United States, particularly in the Northeast. Santander provides a more conventional banking experience encompassing a full suite of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and auto loans. A notable product is the Santander Ultimate Checking Account, featuring a rewards program for everyday transactions, perfect for those looking to earn points on their spending. Santander also offers a comprehensive suite of digital tools through its mobile banking app, catering to those who prefer managing their finances on the go. Moreover, for those who value in-person banking services, Santander's extensive branch network across the US offers a distinct advantage, making it an attractive option for those who appreciate a blend of digital and traditional banking services. To summarize, Goldman Sachs is the superior choice for individuals seeking a straightforward, digitally focused banking experience combined with competitive savings rates. Conversely, Santander Bank is ideally suited for customers who appreciate a more traditional banking model with a wide range of services and reward opportunities. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to explore each bank's offerings in greater detail and identify the perfect match for your unique financial objectives.